mini project progress. Basically, these are the day of 3 that we come to the lab for testing our mini project for the DAQ. Basically, as you can see, me and my team has tried for the DAQ wiring for the ESP32, and we didn't get enough data for the DAQ. Basically we have learned how the DAQ work, how our sensor work, but we didn't get enough information how to connect the sensor to DAQ. So that is what our progress for our mini project this week.